In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new card on Trello. If you're looking to improve your productivity and effectively manage projects, this tutorial will guide you through the simple steps necessary to add a new card to your Trello board, a crucial feature for organizing tasks efficiently. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Trello.com. This will be your first step in accessing the platform where all the magic happens. Once you're on the main Trello page, you'll need to log into your account to access your boards. Look to the upper right corner of the page and you'll see the login button. Click on that and you'll have the option to log in using several methods. You can choose from Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack, or even use your email address. It's as simple as picking your preferred method of logging in and following the prompts. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the board where you'd like to add your new card. You likely have several boards dedicated to different projects or aspects of work, and you'll need to find and select the one that's relevant for the task at hand. Once on your chosen board, it's time to decide which list within the board will host your new card. Boards can have several lists, often representing stages of a project or categories of tasks. Choosing the right list is essential for maintaining order and clarity. For adding a card, there are two methods you can use depending on your preference. For the standard method, scroll to the bottom of the list you've chosen and click on the plus add a card link. This is the direct way and easily noticeable option for most users. But if you're someone who loves keyboard shortcuts and a faster approach, Trello has a nifty feature for you. Simply hover over the list where you want the card to appear and type N. This will immediately create a space for a new card below the card you're currently hovering over. You can also type N, type the card title and press enter or shift enter to add and open it right away. At this point you'll need to give your card a name. Type in a clear and concise title that fits the task or topic. This name will guide you later when you're scanning through your list of tasks. Once you've entered the title, you're just one step away from finalizing the card. Press enter or click the add card button to officially create it, and there you have it, a new card on your Trello board. With these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to add cards to your Trello boards with ease, enhancing your project management skills and helping keep your task lists organized. Keep practicing and you'll find Trello an indispensable tool in your productivity arsenal.